basic HTML and the beginning of CSS, or cascading style sheets. The first thing we want to do here is create a site. So open Finder from down here, go to your user there, which may be SES1, in this case it's digital design, then go to your sites folder. We want to create a folder called HTML underscore and underscore CSS. And the way you do that is you click on the sites folder, click here, and you say new folder, and then you name it like this. So that's the first thing you need to do. So let's move this aside. The next step is to open your text editor. In this case, we use Text Wrangler. And basically what I want you to do is type all this in, all this code, all this HTML code into a page, and we'll just call it test underscore page.html. It needs to have the HTML on the end, the extension there, in order for the web browser, whether it be Safari or Firefox or Internet Explorer, to recognize it as a web page and open it like that. So here is a quick refresher. We have the first tag, which is enclosed in brackets. It's called HTML tag, and it tells the computer that we have an HTML page here, hypertext markup language. Then we have the head tag, which goes from here to here and encloses all this information here, including the title tag, which you're familiar with. The title tag and the information in between page 1 shows up in the title bar here. So that's where the title tag is and where it shows up. We'll skip this for a moment. We'll go down here to the body tag, the area of the body tag, the opening body tag and the closing body tag. This is all the information that will show up on the page. And in this case, we have a paragraph, the P tag, and closing P tag right here that surrounds a number of links. And now notice that on this Text Wrangler page here, it looks like each link goes down to the next line, but it doesn't because there are no break tags, no BR tags. Consequently, it looks like this. Now notice there's a little line, a little vertical line here. We've typed it in right here with one space in between, and that's called, in computer talk, the pipe symbol, and it's located just above your return key on the right side of your keypad, and it's above the backslash and below the delete key on a Mac. Okay, so what we have here now are these links to page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and they don't work at this point because this file is not saved in the sites folder, and also the other pages are not created, which you're going to do shortly. But let me discuss with you a little bit about styles. This particular style, which you're familiar with, you've used already in the basic HTML section of the course at this point, is called an inline style, an inline style or embedded style. And it's right inside the actual tag on the page, and it refers just to this particular H1 tag. Now, we have a new type of style, and this is called an internal style, and it's located between an opening style tag, and it's a type of, and in quotes you have text slash CSS, and then an end quote, and then you have the closing tag slash style. You also have this comment tag, which you need to have. It's a less than sign, exclamation point, dash dash, and then you have the closing one, which is a dash dash greater than symbol. Now here we have the style, and it says that the body of the page, which is all this over here, the background color is green, RGB. The first two numbers are red, the second